Hey guys, it's Nick from the PLR Site.com, and today I am talking about a Piggy Makes Bank product. Start that side hustle PLR. Now, before you go, I will say, let me read about 3 or 4 paragraphs, and I'm going to give you a coupon for more than 33% off. So, give me about less than 2 minutes. I'll get you there. I'm going to give you that coupon code. Then I'll read the rest of it if you're interested. And, maybe you can go through my link and see it for yourself. But it's going to be the first link in the description below. Let's get this started. So, do you have a side hustle? Do you know what that is? A side hustle is a way of earning income doing something you love or have an aptitude for. Generally, a side hustle supplements your main source of income and is done when you're off duty from your main job. A side hustle can be something that you have a special skill set in or a creative outlet that brings you joy. Side hustles can have a wonderful effect on your bank account and your self-esteem. Very true. Bringing in extra money is always a good thing, and a side business may be a way to help you with your taxes. Now, for only $27, and again, hold on, I'm going to give you a coupon code once I read this stuff off. You get 5 high-quality PLR articles, minimum of 400 words, and trust me, Piggy Makes Bank is good. Suzanne and Tracy make really good content. 5 social-friendly images that also work as blog post images, 5 emails to help you share the articles, 5 social media posts, and an ebook compilation of the articles included. So just for $27, you can get all this, but not for the people listening right now because I'm going to get you a lower price, okay? First, go to my site, theplrsite.com/start-side-hustle. So my site, theplrsite.com/start-side-hustle. Go to the checkout, and you're going to enter the coupon code OCT10. So it's 2 T's. So let me spell it out. OCT as in October, OCT-TEN. So OCT-TEN. And you're going to get $10 off. So it's only going to bring it down to $17. It's going to be the first link in the description below. So again, go to that link and then enter in the coupon code, and you're going to get more than 33% off, which is pretty freaking good. So now I'm going to go through the rest of it. If you want to just go through my link, read it yourself, cool. If not, that's fine. I'm about to read it off as well. So what do they have inside Start That Side Hustle PLR? Well, it's 5 emails and 5 articles, as I stated. So let's look at the titles that they have for you inside. So first is Explore Your Talents and Create a Side Hustle. Then, prove your concept through a side hustle before making a big leap. That's a good idea. Now, the next one, 2 tips to organize your life to accommodate your side hustle. Next, keeping a positive mindset when your side hustle hits roadblocks. That's important. And the last one, when to take your side hustle to the next level. Also important. As important as pretty much knowing how to get over the roadblocks. So you have 5 social media posts, custom written social media posts that go hand in hand with each of the articles. So you can use it for Facebook posts, schedule tweets, put them on an image, and put them on Pinterest or Instagram. So what if blogging isn't your thing? That's cool because they're going to give you also a 5-chapter ebook where each chapter is an article. So, you can use it as the main product. You can use it as an upsell. You can use a bonus as a sign up or a coaching program. So there's plenty of things you can do, but here's their 5 social media images, which is actually very nice. I mean, that's actually pretty freaking good. There's a lot of images out there people try to market. It's not good. But this is actually pretty good. So let's go to the end and just recap a little, which is you'll get 5 full articles as a Word document, text files, and the article turned into a media ebook of 5 chapters that you can share as a content series or as a standalone product. You also receive 5 email messages for each of the 5 articles, and then you also get 5 social media friendly images. And you can go to the first link in the description below and use the coupon code OCT10 OCTTEN to get $10 off. Anyways, I'm going to keep doing stuff like this. I'm going to keep bringing you all coupons, keep bringing you all discounts through PLR. That's one of the many reasons why I've created this, not only to tell you, hey, here's how you can use it, here's how not to use it, avoid this. I also want to help you all save money. So, even if you don't, use my link below, which I would greatly appreciate it if you did. Even if you don't, make sure you save yourself money with OCTTEN at the checkout. Anyways, that's all for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one, and you know what? Keep your eye out. I'm going to keep doing stuff like this. All right. See ya.